Yo, what's up, guys? I'm here again, but now to solve the problem zigzag conversion. It's a it's a medium problem on Leetcode, but yeah, the logic is a little bit tricky, but it's not so hard to solve. How you solve for your dad? So yeah, basically what the problem is asking, it's we have a string in zigzag, and the output for that problem has to like handle that and put off that in just one line like that. So yeah, basically that is the main part of the problem. And yeah, let's translate that into Golang code. So basically, we have to validate if the num rows is equals one. If that is true, we just return s. So basically, if that is just in one line, we don't have to do nothing, right? Because the problem is already solved. So because of that, we just will return the string. But if it's not that, we have to create three variables. One is rows. There will be a make of strings.builder. So we will use that building package of Golang for help us to solve that problem and have a better time complexity. So with that, we have to import that manually, and basically that's it. And now we will create two other variables for control the flow of the problem. One is the current row that will start with 0, and the other one is going down, that is a boolean variable, so we'll start with false. And now we have to iterate until the range of this string. And we basically want to know just about the variable, the values. So we we just want the values. So I will put the name of the variable as char. And now basically we have to do that. Rows current row dot write run char. So basically what the write run do, it's he divide the each string in like into a new memory variable for allocate that string. So it will be it will be like that. It will not be a entirely string. We like we divide into like each string into a new variable. So basically it's that. And after that we have to validate if the current row is equals 0, or current row is equals to num rows minus 1. If that is true, the going down, it will receive not going down. Basically it's that. And after that we have to validate if it's really going down, we will increment the current row. If not, it's going down, we decrement that current row. So basically that is the first flow of the problem. And after that we have to transform that into an entirely string again. So basically we'll have to create a new variable that it will be the result. That will be a string builder again. I think it's string, not strings. Yeah, I don't really remember. Let's try with string. Yeah, that is the bigger problem of doing Leetcode. Like you have to remember each package, how to use it. And yeah, that is the worst part, but it's the part of the game, right, guys? So yeah, let's just continue. So we have to iterate now onto the range of rows that we will receive from there. And here we have to do like that for write the entirely string in one line again, because before we transform that into a run, now we will transform again into a string, and we do here like that row string. And on the end, we just will return the result.string for returning in just a string. And yeah, I think that is it, guys. Let's run for see if that will run like right. Yeah, we have a problem. I think it's strings. It's not a type. Let's test with that. Yeah, I was right in the beginning. So let's submit again. Yeah, so that is very good on time complexity. We just have 1 4. It's not encaps. Yeah, we have 2 4s, but it's not encapsulated. So it's OF1, OFN. Sorry. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for your attention, and see you later.